दोस्तों, क्या आप भी उन लोगों में से हैं जो अपनी इंग्लिश को नेटिव इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं? इफ यस, देन राइट नाउ you are watching the correct video, because in this video I will tell you how you can stop comparing yourself with native English speakers. But before that, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon because it really motivates me to make such informative videos for you. तो स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से एक बारी 𝙪𝙧𝙪 अकेडमी में। आई होप गाइज यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के आज का टॉपिक शुरू करते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, द सोल्यूशन इज स्टॉप कंपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ विद नेटिव इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स। If you will compare yourself with them, you will definitely feel demotivated, unhappy, sad, and you will doubt on your ability. Guys, do not forget, वो बचपन से इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, वो बचपन से एक ऐसे एटमोसफियर में पले बड़े हैं where they are speaking and listening English every day and every time. So it's obvious they are fluent in English. They do not have to make lots of efforts when they speak English. Like if your mother tongue is Hindi, तो आप बचपन से हिंदी सीख रहे हैं, आप बचपन से अपने एटमोसफियर से हिंदी सुन रहे हैं, बोलना सीख रहे हैं. So you are comfortable with Hindi. You can speak with anyone in Hindi without making lots of efforts. You can speak it naturally. So the same thing goes with English also. It is native language for them, and for us Hindi is native language. So as we do not have to make lots of efforts when we speak Hindi, they also do not have to make efforts when they speak in English. They speak it naturally because they have been learning this language for a very long time, and you have been learning this language for few months or few years. So how can you compare yourself with them? मतलब ही नहीं बनता है compare करने का. It is like you are looking at the top of mountain while you are still at the bottom. So when you will compare yourself with them, it's obvious that you will get discouraged when you will see that how effortlessly they are able to communicate. So friends, I want to make you one thing clear. Learning a language is not a competition. ये कोई competition नहीं है, ये कोई race नहीं है. It's a personal journey, and look at this journey like you are climbing that mountain. So have a positive mindset towards learning. Every day when you learn a new word, you have a conversation with someone, or you learn a new idiom or phrase, just take it like you are taking one step up to that mountain. And guys, celebrate your small achievements. Do not focus on others' achievements and do not focus on native English speakers. Rather than this, focus on your own achievements. Just look back and see how far you have come, how much you have improved your English since the day you started to learn this language. And friends, one more thing is, be positive, be patient, and practice regularly so that you will become better in English. And guys, one more important thing is, be kind to yourself. So friends, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have learnt anything from this video, make sure to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and like our video, and share this video with your family members, with your friends, and with all the people who are in need. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep practicing.